In this video, I'll show you how to download leads from Facebook lead ads in 2026. First, sign into your Meta Business account on your desktop. Once you're inside, click All Tools and then select Instant Forms. Next, choose the Facebook page that is receiving the leads. You will see a list of all the lead forms connected to that page. After that, select the form you want to access. The form details page will open. Now, click Download or Download Leads. Meta will prepare a file containing all the leads collected through that form. Next, choose the format you want to download, such as CSV. This format works well with spreadsheets and most CRM systems. After that, click Download and save the file to your computer. Now, open the downloaded file to review the lead information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any other details collected through your form. Next, organize or import the leads into your CRM, email marketing platform, or sales system so you can follow up with potential customers. Finally, return to the Instant Forms section whenever you need to download new leads from your Facebook lead ads campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to download leads from Facebook lead ads in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.